Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two business use trends have surfaced in the last 5 years and require non-traditional security? Choose 2. Option A, BYOD. Option B, Wi-Fi connections. Option C, partial URL and application blocking. Option D, third-party applications. Option E, web and email attacks. Option F, a large number of remote employees. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, BYOD. Option F, a large number of remote employees. Question 2. Which three options describe the main problems with traditional security solutions? Choose 3. Option A, fragmented solutions. Option B, the lack of management solutions. Option C, missing components. Option D, solutions being pieced together. Option E, the lack of a cloud solution. Option F, the lack of a firewall. Option G, security gaps. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, fragmented solutions. Option D, solutions being pieced together. Option G, security gaps. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.